In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jira charts in Confluence. This is a powerful way to visually integrate your project management insights directly into your team's Confluence pages, making key data more accessible and easier to digest for everyone. First and foremost, it's crucial to ensure that your Confluence site is linked with a Jira application. This connection is the backbone of embedding Jira charts, as it allows for seamless data sharing between the two platforms. If you're unsure whether this connection has been established, you might want to consult your site administrator or IT department. Once you've confirmed the linkage, head over to the specific Confluence page where you'd like the chart to reside. With the page open, look for the edit button and give it a click. This action will switch the page into editing mode, allowing us to make the necessary changes to incorporate our Jira chart. Next, you'll want to bring up the macro browser. You can do this by clicking the plus icon, or if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, simply hitting the / key will do the trick. This shortcut is quite handy once you get used to it, as it speeds up the whole process significantly. In the macro browser, type in Jira chart to begin your search. Once you've located it, go ahead and select it. This tool is what enables you to pull specific charts from Jira and place them directly into your Confluence page. Now comes the fun part, choosing the type of chart you wish to display. Whether it's a pie chart breaking down the components of a project, or a chart comparing created versus resolved issues, it's all about selecting the visualization that best suits the information you're trying to convey. With the chart type determined, you'll need to tailor the chart parameters. Here you can specify essential details such as the project you're focusing on, the filter you wish to apply, or even a JQL query to narrow down the data precisely to what you need. Beyond parameters, there are additional customization options to consider. Things like the chart's width, border, and other display settings may seem minor, but they play a significant role in ensuring your chart looks polished and professional, fitting seamlessly with your existing page formatting. Another crucial step is to ensure you're viewing and filtering the correct issues, whether it's by an issue key, a search URL, a Jira link, a JQL query, or a specific filter. Make sure you're pulling in data that is most relevant to your audience and objectives. Once you're satisfied with the chart settings and the issues selected, it's time to seal the deal. Click the Insert button to place your newly created Jira chart onto your Confluence page. Now, you and your team can effortlessly view and analyze project data within the familiar environment of Confluence. Follow these steps and you'll have a Jira chart embedded into Confluence in no time, effortlessly connecting your data and enhancing collaboration across your projects.